A very good evening to everybody. I'm extremely excited to be here to be speaking to all of you members of the Roshnara family. We're just gonna wait for like 2-3 minutes for more people to join in. I can see the number of people joining in is increasing. So let's just wait for a few minutes. What you all can do in the meantime is ask me any question. You can post your question in the comments section and I'll answer them while we are waiting for everybody to join in. You can ask me about general things like food or health, any questions that you have in mind. Okay, just give me a thumbs up if you all can hear me well, if you all can hear me and see me properly. Hi everybody. Okay, so we have people joining in. That's great. Hello, hi Durva, hi Shraddha. Hello Agosh uncle. Okay, wonderful. Okay, just we are only gonna wait for another 2 minutes and we will jump straight to the session for today. Okay, great. Feel free to add in your questions in the comments. Amazing. Yes. Okay, so I can see the numbers are increasing already. So I think we can start with the session for today. Before I begin, I would like to extend my gratitude to the management for this opportunity. I would personally like to thank Mrs. Shivani Singhal for organizing and coordinating this live event at such a short notice and for doing it so efficiently and brilliantly. Mr. Ajay Hora for the initiative, Mr. Agosh Singhal for all the technical help, Mr. Amit Garg for all the back-end support. I feel extremely grateful. I'd also like to take a moment and thank my parents for encouraging me towards anything that I wanted to do and being my solid system of support throughout. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, everybody. So, are we ready to begin? Give me a yes in the comments if we can just begin straight away now. Okay, great. Okay. So let me start by introducing myself. I am Karnika Mahindra. Currently, I am in Mumbai. I have studied food science and nutrition. I graduated from Lady Irwin College, University of Delhi. I completed my post-graduation from Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. Since then, I have gained experience in clinical and industrial sector, worked with the leading nutritionist of India. I am now also working independently through my venture Diet by Karnika Mahindra. You all can follow my page on Facebook or Instagram for regular updates on food and healthy eating, some diet tips, easy to prepare recipes. Feel free to reach out and I will be more than happy to answer any and all of your questions. Great. Okay, I see a few questions rolling in the comments section. Somebody is asking about stretch marks. Somebody is asking about hair loss. Okay, great. Okay. Hello, everybody. Cool. So this is something that I will be including as part of my talk also. So do keep sending in your questions and I will be answering all the questions towards the end of the session. Okay. So the topic for today, as you all might already know, is foods for better skin and hair health. This topic is special for a lot of reasons. So these are two parts of our body that are constantly, that we are constantly conscious about. सुबह सबसे पहले उठ के अभी हम क्या करते हैं, मिरर में जाके देखते हैं कि जैसे सोए थे स्किन वैसी ही है कि नहीं, बाल ठीक है कि नहीं, एंड उसी के बाद हम दिन का कोई भी और काम शुरू करते हैं, राइट। अभी लॉकडाउन था तो सभी घर पर थे, स्ट्रेस शायद थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया था, काम का स्ट्रेस था, घर पर रहकर सारा काम कैसे होगा उसका भी स्ट्रेस था, हम सब फैमिली के साथ थे, कुछ लोग फैमिली के पास नहीं थे, लॉकडाउन में घर वापस नहीं आ पाए थे, उसकी थोड़ी टेंशन ज्यादा हो गई थी, राइट। सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज बिकॉज ऑफ अ स्ट्रेस बिल्ड अप इन द बॉडी, व्हाट इज अफेक्टेड मोस्ट इज आवर स्किन एंड हेयर। ओके, मॉनसून का भी टाइम है and we know that because of humidity we all are going to experience probably frizzy hair, rough skin, hair fall भी बढ़ जाता है monsoon के time पे। Another major reason for poor skin and hair quality comes with dieting, right? Crash dieting, restrictive dieting, जहाँ पर we follow practices like not eating for long hours or having long meal gaps, okay? और we follow restrictive eating like कि मतलब अभी साइंस ने बोला है कि फैट अच्छा है and fat is important for the body, so we will eat only fat, we will include only fat on our plate, and we are not going to let carbohydrate even touch it, and we are not going to even include it in any of our meals. Or if you're somebody who believes कि fat is bad for us, फिर तो अभी हम बहुत सिर्फ सूप और सैलेड पे जिएंगे, पूरा दिन कैलोरीज काउंट करेंगे, and that's all we're going to do, right? Or if you're following any other diet fads, what happens in this case is that we fail to see how all nutrients together and how all food groups together are important for all of us, and we just keep focusing on single nutrients or single food groups, right? So इससे पहले सबसे पहले क्या होता है that such harsh patterns of dieting affect our skin and hair greatly, okay? So hair fall might increase, skin might become a little patchy, pimples हो सकता है ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, right? So we need to understand that these signs are signals of our body telling us कि boss अभी ये system fail हो रहा है, okay? You need to come back on track, eat well, and follow a more sustainable diet. See, skin is the largest organ of our body. The first effects of poor gut health are also most evident on our skin. If you are noticing more breakouts on the skin, if you feel it's not as soft as it used to be, it means that the diet you are on, the foods you are having, the habits that you are following need to be reviewed, okay? A lot of times we ignore these because we feel कि weight loss तो हो रहा है, skin, hair fall ये सब बाद में देखा जाएगा. But deep down, we also know that this is not how it works, right? What happens is gut health, hormonal balance, skin, hair, in fact, all organs of our body work as one unit. It is a one complete unit that is working for us all the time continuously, right? So no one nutrient or one food group can ever be the solution. We need to see the bigger picture. We need to see it in totality. We cannot focus on just one food group and just keep consuming one kind of nutrient. I hope you all have a better idea, of broader idea of how important our skin and hair are and why we should pay more attention to visible signs of warning that they keep giving us constantly, right? वेट लॉस का पीछा नहीं करते हैं, हेल्थ का मतलब हेल्थ का नुकसान नहीं करते हैं, हेल्थ का ध्यान रखो, वेट लॉस झकमा कर पीछे आने ही वाला है, okay? So a lot of you have joined in. Welcome everybody who has joined in now. It's great to see you all. Thank you everybody for your wishes, and thank you for posting in questions. Keep doing that. I'll be taking all your questions. I'm looking forward to answering all your questions towards the end of the session. Without any further delay, I'm going to jump to the real subject of foods that you can include in your diet on a regular basis for good, smooth skin and thick, lustrous hair. Okay, do not fear and do not be guilty about eating these foods. Eat them with gratitude and give your stomach also a chance to feel happier. Okay, you must know that all the foods that I mentioned for good hair are also applicable for good skin, and the foods that I mentioned for good skin are also going to work very well for good hair. Okay, I'll be mentioning 3 foods each for good skin and hair, starting with the first food for good skin. Very easy, सबके घर पे होगा ही ये, I am quite sure about it. Raisins. So raisins या किशमिश, or even better is the black munakka that we have at home, right? So these are rich in iron. आयरन हम सबको पता है क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि वो बॉडी के अंदर हीमोग्लोबिन बनाता है. हीमोग्लोबिन इज द प्राइमरी कैरियर ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. Hemoglobin is something that carries oxygen and nutrients to all cells of our body. Okay, so better iron means better hemoglobin levels, means better transportation of oxygen and nutrients to all cells of the body. ठीक है, ऑल्सो आयरन की एब्जॉर्प्शन के लिए बॉडी के अंदर जरूरी है कि हम साथ में थोड़ा सा विटामिन सी इनटेक हो, एंड रेजन्स और मुनक्का हैव अ परफेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ आयरन एंड विटामिन सी. Okay, what it also has is vitamin A and vitamin E, which stimulate development of new cells. Now all these vitamins A, E and C act as antioxidants in the body, preventing damage of skin cells and delaying wrinkles and blemishes. Very important is कि अभी इसको खाना कब है और कैसे खाना है, right? So the best thing to do is to soak a few raisins at night and have it as the first thing in the morning. So the first thing when you wake up should not be a cup of chai or coffee. You can have a few soaked raisins, okay? And after you have your raisins, you can go ahead and have your chai or coffee. In case you are taking a thyroid pill, you can have your raisins 20 to 25 minutes after you have taken your thyroid pill. Okay, so this is a good way to include raisins in your diet. Soak them overnight, have them as the first thing in the morning. Okay, this is going to keep your skin very well hydrated and nourished. It's also going to help with a good hormonal balance. Okay, the second food for good skin is coconut, and it is actually my personal favorite. So extra marks for including coconut in your diets if you are going to do that. Okay, but अभी आप सब मुझसे पूछेंगे कि isn't coconut fattening? मतलब we don't want to gain extra fat, so that's not what's going to happen. ठीक है, so coconut के अंदर बहुत सारे nutrients हैं. It is actually like a storehouse of a lot of nutrients. It's abundant in a lot of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. उसमें और एक चीज है which is called MCTs or medium chain triglycerides. MCTs are a unique fatty acid. ठीक है, तो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितने भी सेल्स हैं या नर्व सेल्स भी हैं, उन सबकी एक प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर होती है, और उस प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर को बनाने के लिए MCTs की जरूरत होती है बॉडी के अंदर. सो MCTs आर यूज्ड फॉर ईच एंड एवरी cell in our body. And I just told you a few minutes back that skin is the largest organ in our body. So also skin is going to need as much more MCTs for a protective layer to all its cells. Okay, so have coconut. It is going to keep your skin cells protected and also keep them soft, supple, give you a natural glow. Okay, coconut is also going to provide you with physical strength and mental stamina that you probably need most in this current situation. तो अभी खाना कैसे है? You can have नारियल पानी with malai. In Delhi, this might not be very easy, but what definitely you can source in Delhi is the dry coconut. तो सूखा नारियल और गुड़ का mixture is what you can have. Okay, so सूखा नारियल और गुड़ का mixture you can have as an evening snack with your tea or coffee, or what you can do is roll it into a laddu. You can even add a few nuts to it and make those laddus and enjoy them for for the week. Make them over the weekend, enjoy them over the week. Yeah, so do try this out if you haven't already. I'm gonna wait to hear if you actually liked it or not. Okay, the third thing for a healthy and happy skin is शरबत. तो अभी हम में से कौन है जिसको लाइफ के अंदर थोड़ा जेस्ट नहीं चाहिए, थोड़ा खट्टा मीठा फ्लेवर नहीं चाहिए, राइट? एंड व्हाट बेटर वे टू ब्रिंग दिस टू आवर लाइफ देन द वेरी रिच होममेड शरबत दैट वी हैव, राइट? अभी मौसम बदल रहा है, कोविड का भी मौसम बदल रहा है ना? तो इन सच टाइम्स इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी स्टे हाइड्रेटेड एंड टेक गुड केयर ऑफ आवर इम्यूनिटी, राइट? एंड जो हमारे शरबत है वो ये दोनों ही पर्पस बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व करते हैं, along with keeping our skin clear, right? So let's just take a very simple example of नींबू पानी. सबको नींबू पानी पसंद है, सबको नींबू पानी बनाना भी आता है ना? और नींबू पानी थोड़ा और भी पसंद है जब हम अपने क्लब में पूल साइड पर बैठकर चीज सैंडविच के साथ या चीज बॉल्स के साथ उसको एंजॉय करते हैं, राइट? वी आर एक्चुअली ऑल ऑफ अस आर जस्ट वेटिंग टू डू दैट, आरंट वी? तो कमिंग बैक टू नींबू पानी, टिपिकली नींबू पानी के अंदर हम पानी के साथ नींबू, चीनी, नमक, काला नमक, अदरक, दीज आर द थिंग्स वी यूज, राइट? ये सभी क्या है? दीज ऑल make it the best electrolyte drink and the most hydrating formula in our body, for our body. The better the better hydrated our body is, better will be the skin, smoother will be the skin. Okay, so you can have nimbu pani, or you can have any other sharbat that is prepared at your home, जैसा लीची का शरबत या आम पन्ना, बेल का भी शरबत बनाते हैं, सौफ का शरबत बनाते हैं. So any of these preparations that you can do, or just enjoy अपना simple सीधा सादा सा नींबू पानी. The best time to have it is during the post noon hours. Okay, a very important point, because we are talking of hydration here, is that all our colas, packaged juices, energy drinks do not count in. Okay, so these do not act as hydrating elements in our body. In fact, they are very dehydrating in nature. Okay, so you need to avoid them as much as possible. हाइड्रेशन के लिए, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट बैलेंस के लिए, बेटर एनर्जी के लिए, एंड डेफिनेटली बेटर स्किन के लिए शरबत पियो और शरबत ही पिलाओ. ओके, so that was the 3 foods for good skin, which was raisins, coconut and sharbats. Moving to 3 foods for good hair. The first one is cashews. अभी I can already actually imagine all of your expressions going like cashews, इतना सारा कोलेस्ट्रॉल. तो I'm gonna bust that myth for you. Cashews have 0 mg cholesterol. Okay, cashews do not have cholesterol. In fact, कोई भी प्लांट सोर्स के अंदर कोलेस्ट्रॉल नहीं होता है. ठीक है, so because why? Because none of the plants can synthesize cholesterol. Cholesterol is made only by humans and animals inside their bodies. Okay, so cashew is really a wonder nut, and it has so much to offer and adds to our health in a lot of ways. Today I'm going to try to stick to the role it plays in improving our hair quality, right? So eat it for all the benefits that it has, such as it is a storehouse of minerals like iron, zinc, folic acid, magnesium. Okay, it makes it a natural stress buster and relieves the tension and calms your nerves. Its amino acid profile, along with other vitamins and minerals, help in production of serotonin. Serotonin is a hormone, and it makes it acts as a natural beauty pill for good sleep and happy mood. ठीक है, काजू के अंदर कॉपर भी होता है, which promotes hair growth and prevents premature graying of hair. ठीक है, उसके अंदर पोटेशियम भी होता है, which prevents hair fall. It also acts in regeneration of the cells and keeps the scalp dandruff free. ठीक है, तो अभी जिसको हेयर इश्यूज है, स्मूथ सिल्की शाइनी बाल चाहिए, चुपचाप काजू खाना स्टार्ट करेंगे, और अगर खा रहे हो तो कंटिन्यू रखेंगे बिना without fearing that it is high in cholesterol. When to have cashews? Again, it's a good evening snack. It also works well if you have it before sleeping, or if you are up late, long hours working or studying, then you can have cashews with a little milk if you like, and it's going to give you a restful sleep. ठीक है, cashews हम अपने हलवा में भी डालते हैं, लड्डू में भी डालते हैं. So all these preparations are also going to work well. कल राखी है, तो अभी अगर आपके घर पे आपके भैया आ रहे हैं, भाभी आ रहे हैं, so and if you are planning to prepare any of these sweets, तो उसके अंदर थोड़े extra cashew डालेंगे आज. Okay, now the second food for hair is kalonji. Surprised? Yes, kalonji. So I'm not sure, but have you heard of Nigella seeds? A few of you must have. Do you know what it is? It is nothing but kalonji. ठीक है, अभी उसको टैग मिला है एक्सोटिक सीड का. नाइजेला सीड का ऑयल के कैप्सूल्स बिक रहे हैं एज अ वेरी एक्सोटिक सप्लीमेंट. ठीक है, और ये एक ऐसा एक्सोटिक सीड है जो हम सबके किचन में है. ठीक है, सबके किचन के अंदर प्रेजेंट है. अभी यूज कितना होता है, that I'm not really sure of. Okay, So yes, it is an excellent food for hair and of course skin too. It has anti-inflammatory properties which help reduce irritation from the scalp. ठीक है, तो अभी बारिश के अंदर we know that sometimes we feel an itchiness in the scalp humidity की वजह से. So कलौंजी एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको उसके लिए हेल्प करेगी. It also prevents premature graying of hair and stimulates hair growth. हाउ कैन यू यूज कलौंजी? बेस्ट वे हम सब करते आ रहे हैं, उसको तड़का में ऐड करके whatever oil, whatever ghee you are using for your tadka, add a few seeds to it. Preparations like कढ़ी and pumpkin की सब्जी के अंदर ये ज़्यादा यूज होता है. और if you know of any other vegetable preparation आपके घर में जो बनता है जिसमें आप कलौंजी ऐड करते हैं, so continue to do that. You can also add it to the dough and make rotis or naan or paratha. Okay, another wonderful way to use it is by adding it to oil and applying it in your hair. तो आप जो भी ऑयल यूज करते हैं टू ऑयल योर हेयर, लाइक मस्टर्ड ऑयल, कोकोनट ऑयल, बादाम का तेल, जो भी आप ऑयल यूज करते हैं उसके अंदर थोड़े कलौंजी के सीड्स डाल के रखिए. ठीक है, लेट इट रेस्ट फॉर अ फ्यू आवर्स and then you can add it and then you can apply it in your scalp, in your hair. लीव इट फॉर अ वाइल एंड वॉश इट ऑफ. ठीक है, सो इस तरह से आपको नाइजेला कैप्सूल्स नहीं लेना पड़ेगा, उतनी नौबत नहीं आएगी, बट योर हेयर इज गोइंग टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, लस्ट्रस एंड फ्री ऑफ स्प्लिट एंड्स. ओके, सो start including kalonji, get it back in your vegetable preparations. If you oil your hair or at whatever frequency you do it, add a few kalonji seeds and you're gonna see very good results by following this simple practice. Okay, the last food that we are going to discuss today is very simple. वापस से हम सबके घर पे ये है and a lot of us already eat it every day. I'm just going to tell you how beneficial it is for your hair. And the food is curd. ठीक है, कर्ड इज अ प्रोबायोटिक. मतलब क्या? मतलब इट इज अ फूड दैट बूस्ट आवर इम्यून सिस्टम, बूस्ट द गुड बैक्टीरिया इन आवर सिस्टम. ठीक है, इट कीप्स द डाइवर्स बैक्टीरिया इन आवर गट हेल्दी. तो हमारे सिस्टम के अंदर, हमारे गट के अंदर गुड बैक्टीरिया भी होते हैं और बैड बैक्टीरिया भी होते हैं. कर्ड इज अ फूड फॉर द गुड बैक्टीरिया and helps them flourish in our system. ठीक है, so as the gut health improves, as the system improves, you know that your hair is going to be more nourished and it is automatically going to be more voluminous. Okay, because अब हमें पता है कि अगर gut health अच्छी है तो you're gonna see good effects on your hair and skin also. What is important is setting it at home for best benefits. ठीक है, जब हम घर पे दही सेट करते हैं तो सुबह के जमाया हुआ दही रात तक भी उसका फ्लेवर बदल जाता है. द टेस्ट चेंजेस and you cannot keep it beyond 1 or 2 days. It changes a lot. That is because the bacteria that is in curd is live for that period of time. Okay, so home set curd, try not to buy it from outside. It is not even going to be close to as beneficial as the home set curd is going to be. ठीक है, so have curd, but the one that you set at home. So with this we have come to an end of today's session, but like I promised, I'm going to answer all your questions. So let's start from the top. Okay, so food that is best for hair growth. Coconut, cashews, kalonji, all of these, like I mentioned, work beautifully for hair growth. And yeah, try to include them in your diet. Follow the tips that I have spoken about and tell me if you see good results. I'll wait to hear your feedback. Okay, so can you suggest ways to get rid of stretch marks? Yes, amazing. तो अभी मैंने 2 foods मेरे टॉक के अंदर include ऐसे करे which help in reducing stretch marks. What these foods are? Coconut and cashews. So ये दोनों के अंदर ही, like I also mentioned, there's MCTs or medium chain triglycerides, and these work very well. What they also have is essential fatty acids. मतलब जितना भी the important fatty acids that are needed to tone the skin, to keep the skin free of degenerative damage. It protects it. It has a very protective action. So you can apply coconut oil, you can have dry coconut, you can have the coconut water. Kaju bhi, jaise maine bataya, you can include it in your sweet preparations, or you can have it as a snack in the evening. It works very well for stretch marks. If you add a little jaggery to cashews as your evening snack and then have it. Okay, so that is something that you can try. Then what is the difference between hair fall and hair loss, and which is more alarming? Okay, so nice question. This is so hair fall and hair loss both reduce the thickness of our hair, both reduce the volume of our hair. Both are alarming. Like I mentioned, that if you are facing something like that, you can easily correct it by coming back on track, including the foods that I mentioned, and having a more wholesome diet rather than focusing on one nutrient or one food group. If you are doing so, if you feel that already I am including everything, then what you need to do is be more careful of the timings and the combinations that you use for your diet, and then you're going to see good results. Oiling is something that is going to reduce hair fall, and all the foods that I mentioned. Curd, it's a prebiotic, it works wonderfully. Cashews, I have spoken how beneficial it is for your hair. And kalonji, again, you can include it in your tadkas or include it in the, put it in the oil and apply it in your hair whenever you oil your hair. Okay. Can you share food for clear skin? Yes, definitely we can share foods for clear skin. So raisins is something that works for clear skin. Sharbats is something that works for clear skin. Staying hydrated through the day is something that works for clear skin. What also works for clear skin is केसर. So केसर भी आप किशमिश के साथ ले सकते हैं. रात को उसको सोक करके सुबह किशमिश के साथ उसको ले सकते हैं. या whenever you have milk, you can add a little kesar to your milk, or you can even add kesar to your nimbu pani, and it helps in clearing out the skin. Okay. Can you suggest me how to plan my meals as I study till late at night? Okay. So what happens is that our body, the biological clock of our body works in a way that as the day passes, the hormones like cortisol and the growth hormone take turns. ठीक है, तो जैसे जैसे शाम होती है cortisol का level dip होता है and growth hormone बढ़ता है. So what this actually means is कि our appetite should go down and the body is preparing for rest. It is preparing for regeneration through the night. But if you are someone who works till late or studies till late in the night, firstly what you need to do is plan your meals accordingly. How to plan your meals accordingly? So you have your dinner early. Do not postpone your dinner. Okay, so till whatever time you are going to be up, have your dinner by 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. So 7:30 से 9 के बीच में have your dinner. Okay. Then options that you can have while you are studying, while you're working, which are going to help you in the concentration while you are at it and then give you a restful sleep is foods like nuts, kaju, peanuts, almonds, dates. So dry fruits or nuts is something that you can have, or you can have a fruit like banana or any fresh fruit that you want at that time. What you can also prepare is a milkshake. So milkshake is something that you can have, or you can even have milk and a few nuts. So any of these combinations work very well to keep you alert while you are studying or working till late hours in the night, and then also giving you a good night's sleep for the period that you are sleeping and waking up very fresh and energetic the next day. Okay. The next question is, can you suggest some healthy 2-minute breakfast? Yes, sure. So my favorite 2-minute breakfast is dahi poha. I have been having it for a very long time. So all you have to do is take poha, which is rice flakes. So take poha, soak it for a while. Okay, so even if you rinse it under water, it is going to swell up a little and become soft. Then you take curd, add that poha to curd and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. इतने में वो पोहा जितना स्वेल होना चाहिए, उसको सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए, वो हो जाएगा. उसके बाद depending on if you want it sweet or salty, you can add sugar to it, or you can add a salt and chili ka combination, or give a tadka if that's the way you like it, and then you can enjoy this meal. It takes less than 10 minutes to prepare it, and it's I think the easiest way, and it's much healthier than the packaged cereals and the packaged noodles that we get. So dahi poha is something that I recommend. Can you suggest some healthy snack options? Yes, sure. So, fruit is my go-to snacking option. Nuts is another snacking option. Snack if you're talking about for the evening, because 4 बजे 5 बजे is the time जब हम सबको बहुत ही ज़्यादा भूख लगती है, and then we just reach out for all the junk that is there in the house. So at that time what you can have is a fresh fruit, a few nuts, or a sandwich, or ghee roasted makhana or ghee roasted murmura is something that you can have. Okay, so yeah, these are 4-5 options that you can have. Cashews and jaggery or peanuts and jaggery is also great. It is also a great combination, which is wholesome, which is satisfying, and which is going to take care of your evening snack cravings. What can we eat as a midnight snack? Is it healthy to have a midnight snack? So I just spoke about the midnight meals that you can include. Is it healthy to have a midnight snack? See, if you need to stay up late, if you need to work on something, if you need to study, then you must. I mean, I'm not going to tell you to sleep and not do work. Then you must. And the foods like milkshakes, a fresh fruit, nuts and a combination of milk, or even at night you can have like a bread or a leftover roti with your any homemade chutney or butter if you like that. So these are few things that you can have, but if it's avoidable, then try not to do it. Your last meal can be anywhere between 2 to 3 hours before you sleep, and then before sleeping, if you're still hungry, then you can have a cup of milk, and that should suffice your hunger for that time. And try not snacking on snacking on foods for night. अभी weekends पे अगर movie देखते हुए you are up and you are looking for healthy snack options, then you can go for something like a homemade bhel where you roast your murmura and add a little masala to it and have it, or you can make a peanut masala and have it. Makhana is also something that you can have at night. So yeah, these are few of the options. Okay, I can't restrict on tea. How many cups a day are fine? So see, there are a few rules that you follow with tea. Firstly, like I mentioned, do not have it as first thing in the morning. You can have it after your first meal, which can be a soaked raisins or a fresh fruit or a few soaked almonds. इसके 10-15 मिनट बाद you can have your tea, and try avoiding having tea with any of your main meals. Okay, how many cups a day is okay? I mean, 3 to 4 cups a day is totally okay, but make sure that you're not having tea post 6 o'clock or 6:30 in the evening, because then it's going to hamper with your sleep. It's going to affect your sleep. So for a good restful sleep, avoid having tea post 7ish in the evening, and you should be good with that. Okay, something for hair thinning. Great. So all the things that I said, cashews, kalonji, curd, all of these things work very well for hair thinning as well. Okay, one more food that I'll introduce because you specially asked this question is sesame. ठीक है, so जो तिल का अपना seed होता है, that is also something which works excellently for hair thinning. Because it has high amounts of calcium. It is also rich in a lot of fatty acids. So it adds to the wholesomeness of any food that you add it to. Okay? So you can add a few sesame seeds to your dough and then make a roti or a paratha for your lunch or dinner, or your, if you're making a roti for your evening snack. So that's something that you can do. You can even make a laddu out of your tilka dana, tilka seed, added to jaggery. You can add cashews to it, or you can also add coconut to it, and that's going to be a great combination for your hair and help you very well for hair thinning. Coconut oil or mustard oil, which is best for hair? So both work well. It depends on the availability. It depends on which one you are in the habit of doing. Both of them have a very peculiar fragrance to it. So you could be the master of that and choose based on what you feel suits you better. Choose based on what works best for you. Both are great options. Coconut oil, mustard oil, badam ka tel, any of the oils that you have been using is absolutely okay. Just continue with that. Okay, so I think that was the last question. So I'm gonna just wind up the session. Still, if you have a few questions, I could take one or two last questions, and so you can post them through. Okay. Otherwise, it was just wonderful speaking to all of you. Thank you so much for taking out the time and attending the session. I hope that all that we have discussed today has been useful to you and you will be able to make it a part of your lifestyle. ठीक है, तो अभी कल राखी है, जो जिस के भी भैया भाभी घर पर आ रहे हैं, make sure that you do not serve them a cola, serve them a nice homemade sharbat. Okay. I look forward to speaking to you all very soon. Okay, I'd once again like to thank the management for this opportunity. My sincere gratitude to Mr. Shivani Singhal, Mr. Ajay Vora, Mr. Agosh Singhal, and Mr. Amit Garg. Thank you everybody, and wishing you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Okay. Yes, so thank you. Have a good evening. And you can still, we will be I think posting this video, so if you still have some questions, add them to the comments and I'll work at answering them. Okay, thank you so much everybody. Thank you. Have a good day.